Hello everyone, welcome back to EM Advisor. So today I'll discuss about some common errors which we usually make mistake in our day-to-day life. So now I'm telling all of you to pause the video at first and try to do it yourself. Okay, then you check it whether you have made mistake or right. Let's get started. Okay, so now the first is twice in a day, week, month or year. So which will be the right? So twice a day or week or month or year. Okay, so we can't use twice in. Okay, we can't use twice in a day or week, month or year. We have to use twice a day, week, month or year. The next one, you're not outside Kolkata. So write on you're not out of Kolkata. Okay, you're not out of Kolkata. Next is you're not in your house. Write on you're not at home. You're not at home. Next on cousin brother or cousin sister. We can't use a cousin brother or cousin sister. Just only it will be cousin. Okay? Cousin refers it refers both of brother or sister. Okay, we can't use the cousin brother or cousin sister. So next is the its make is HMT. So its is the possessive pronoun, so we can't use the at the very beginning of the sentence. So we can use it. It is made. Okay, it is made by HMT, the passive form. Okay, so it is made by HMT. Next on, its cost was 20 rupees. It is the wrong. Okay, and next, it cost rupees 20. It also wrong. Okay, the right one will be it. Okay, here its is the possessive pronoun, so that is why it is wrong. Okay, here it cost rupees 20. No, it's 20 rupees, so it will be right. It cost 20 rupees. It cost 20 rupees. Okay, next. Color of this handbag is red. Okay, the right one will be this is a red handbag. Okay, this is a red handbag. Next, the purse may be closed by a chain. Okay, so right answer, the purse may be closed by a zip. Okay, we can't use the chain, so instead of chain we use zip. Okay, so next, the pen was the birthday presentation from my sister. So answer, the pen was a birthday present. Okay, not presentation. Okay, instead of presentation it will be present from my sister. Next on, she has a fair complexion. So right answer will be C is fair. Okay, instead of fair complexion we have to use only fair. So this is the right sentence. C is the fair. And same, he has black complexion. So instead of the black complexion we can use he is dark. Okay, he is dark, that means fair. Okay, instead of the black complexion we use usually he is dark. Next, he is in service at a bank. So right answer will be he works at a bank. Okay, he works at a bank. She is always busy with her houseworks, or she is always busy with her household tasks. Both are wrong. Okay, the right one will be she is always busy with her housework. Okay, only work here, only works, not yes will be added. Okay, so she is always busy with her housework. Next, my brother is aged 11 years. Okay, so right on will be my brother is 11 years old. Okay, next, he reads at Don Bosco School and he studies at Don Bosco School. Both are incorrect. Okay, so right on will be he is at Don Bosco School, or we can write he goes to Don Bosco School. Okay, both are correct. He is at Don Bosco School or he goes to Don Bosco School. Okay, both are correct. And next is the my sister resides at Delhi. So this is the incorrect sentence. Right on will be my sister lives at Delhi. Okay, so my sister, instead of reside it will be lives. My sister lives at Delhi. Okay, the next, the name of my friend is Sobik Mighty. Okay, this is the wrong. So the right one will be my friends. Okay, friends name is Sobik Mighty. Okay, so Mighty, my friend's name is Sobik Mighty. This is the right sentence. Okay, he has a handsome physique and his physique is good. Both are incorrect. Okay, the right on he is well built. Okay, so next, she has completed her studies in BA. So right one will be she first her BA. Okay, so next one, she is seeking a service. She is seeking a service. So right on, she is looking for a job. Okay, she is looking for a job. So guys, I'm going to finish this video here. If you learn a little bit, then you please subscribe my channel so that you can get the notification for the next video. Okay, take care, bye, tada.